Technology. It's already transforming the way we think about healthcare. Telehealth is leading the charge into this new frontier of medical care. Need to consult a doctor? You don't have to leave your house anymore. Just hop on your computer or phone and connect with a healthcare professional instantly. It's convenient, efficient, and it's just the tip of the iceberg. Research in healthcare has found some really interesting insights too. Did you know that about 1/3 of illnesses are actually psychosomatic? That means they don't need traditional treatment. Sometimes all a person really needs is reassurance or a listening ear, something that can easily be provided online. Isn't that amazing? And when we look deeper, we discover that 2/3 of chronic illnesses often don't require numerous office visits. What they truly need is ongoing support. But that's not all. Here's a surprising statistic. Almost half of surgical procedures and diagnostic tests we currently perform may not even be necessary. Yep, you heard that right. We've built a system that sometimes pushes us towards unnecessary treatments, and that costs us dearly, both in terms of money and health. What's standing in the way of a more streamlined, effective, and cost-efficient system? Regulations, my friends. While some rules are necessary, too many create obstacles that drive up costs without really benefiting anyone. Imagine if we could cut through the red tape just like we did with airlines a few decades ago. By removing excessive regulations in healthcare, we could potentially slice hospital stay costs in half. That's a game changer. And don't get me started on coding and bureaucracy. Right now, we have a staggering number of coders for every procedure and countless mid-level agencies involved in healthcare. Imagine what it would mean if we streamlined all of that. We could save colossal amounts of money, which could go back into providing better care for patients across the country. So let's empower the American consumer. We can take charge and help everyone access the healthcare they need through tools like health savings cards. It's exciting to think about how these simple changes can improve healthcare access for everyone while keeping costs manageable. Let me share a vision with you. I truly believe that America can lead the way in modern healthcare delivery. Think about what former President Ronald Reagan said about America being a shining city on a hill. That's the kind of leadership we can aspire to in all facets of society, including healthcare. As we wrap up, I hope you feel a sense of optimism and empowerment. You are not just a passive observer in this journey. You have the potential to be an active participant. Use your voice, stand up for your rights as a consumer, and advocate for the changes you want to see in the healthcare system. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you had a blast listening today. Whether you learned something new or simply felt inspired, remember that your involvement matters. Let's harness this momentum together to create a better, more affordable healthcare landscape for every American. Stay tuned for more discussions, and let's keep pushing forward together. Thank you for being here.